Another quick tip for you with this Bovkey, I don't know. With this X6100 case that I shared on the channel before, I had a friend come up to me, a toad come up to me at Orlando Hamcation and say that he got this case, which holds the X6100, and it holds the microphone, and there's room in here for a nice logbook and my USB cable and some other stuff, depending on how much of a trek I'm taking. The point of this case was to shove it in a backpack, not to make a daily go bag. But he actually cut some of the mesh out, and it looked really good, and it might make it easier to put in. So I'm going to start off by just cutting out this top piece of mesh and see how well that works. All right, this could either go terribly wrong, or it could go perfectly right. I don't know. There's a little bit of a fold in the fabric there that you can get up behind. All right, that knife's not sharp enough. Let me get something sharper. That's looking good. All right, I'll keep that for a sewing project later. Maybe for my other channel, I don't know. All right, so now I can put the radio in. That goes in nice and fast. I can put the microphone in. I'm going to test this out for a little while and see how I like this setup. But so far, I like how fast that radio went in. This case was chosen to be a nice tight fit. It's actually a GPS case, not really a ham radio case. But it survived the trip for me down to Hamcation. It survived a couple of other hams trips. There is a link in the description down below for where to get this case and for a discount on the radio that's inside of this case. Quick deploy, quick replacement, and it doesn't even look like there's any, jagged edges or anything. We'll try this out for a while. I like it. I like it. All right, there is a video right over there I think you'll enjoy next. Thanks for being awesome.